Hi friends, this is Defensa Info news channel. The new Taliban government in Afghanistan has begun restoring its artillery units by reintroducing a batch of modernized 155mm M114 howitzers that had been decommissioned under the previous government. This was reported by Afghanistan Ministry of Defense in an official statement. According to the ministry, the heavy weapons workshop of the 205th Army Corps, Al-Badr, has refurbished and repaired 8 M114 howitzers for deployment. The footage also shows ongoing repairs of Soviet-era 122mm D-30A guns and M30 howitzers from 1938. The refurbished howitzers have successfully passed test firing, confirming their combat readiness. For transportation, the Taliban employs international trucks and even regular pickup trucks. Video evidence shows that the forces are using Turkish-made 155mm MKA M107 HA high-explosive fragmentation shells, which were supplied to Afghanistan and under the previous government. Thanks for watching, put the likes, comments, and subscribe to the channel Defensa Info.